Hey there, hope you're doing good. This is Priyanka, your friend and your skincare guide, and you're watching how to create effective DIYs conjoining essential and carrier oils. In this video, I will share the DIY that I recommend to my viewers to prepare and use. Creating this DIY is as simple as ABC. Trust me guys, this DIY only takes 5 minutes to make. So shall we get started? Okay, so before we dive into this DIY recipe, let me give you a summary of facts of these oils and their uses. Essential oils are basically the compound extract from the plants and are obtained through steam distillation process. These oils are used for healthcare and they are helpful in making DIYs related to skincare, hair care and relaxation, while carrier oils are used for dilution of the essential oils. They are generally unscented or lightly scented. Each oil for this video has been purchased from the Shoprythm online store. So if you plan on making this DIY at your home, you can get it from the Shoprythm website. The link is given below in the description. So let's get started with the video for the DIY.
DIY for acne-prone skin using the best essential and carrier oils. Ingredients required: apricot oil 30 ml, tea tree essential oil 5 ml, sweet almond oil 30 ml, 60 ml of dropper bottle. Take the sweet almond oil 30 ml, add 20 ml of apricot oil. The following oil which you have to mix into this blend is rosehip oil. Once rosehip oil is added and blended well, add tea tree essential oil, mix it well. Let's know how these oils take care of the skin and treat acne. Apricot oil properties: it improves skin tone, it maintains softness, it gives radiance shine to the skin, it has nourishing properties. Tea tree essential oil properties: it has antibacterial properties. It is the best essential oil that helps to treat acne. It also prevents and reduces acne scars. It controls the sebum emitted by the skin. Sweet almond oil properties: it has moisturizing properties. It treats acne, eczema, psoriasis, etc. It is rich in magnesium, calcium and zinc. It diminishes the acne scars. Rosehip oil properties: it reduces the acne scars. It improves the skin tone. It reduces the appearance of age spots. Thank you for watching the video.